Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. What a dramatic and unforgettable day at the Cincinnati Masters. Tennis fans witnessed some huge shocks as top stars Aryna Sabalenka and Alexander Zverev were both knocked out in the fourth round. The biggest surprise came in the women's draw, where world number one Aryna Sabalenka suffered a stunning defeat against Bejlek. Showed incredible confidence and determination, coming back from difficult moments to win the match in straight sets. It was her first ever victory over a top 10 player, and without doubt, one of the biggest wins of her career. On the men's side, Germany's Alexander Zverev was also stunned. American Tommy Paul saved a match point and produced an amazing comeback to defeat Zverev in a thrilling three-set battle. Rain delays made the match even more difficult, but Paul stayed focused and key. Bejlek showed incredible confidence and determination, coming back from difficult moments to win the match in straight sets. It was her first ever, kept fighting until the end. Meanwhile, more exciting action continued across the tournament. Coco Gauff advanced with a strong performance, while defending champion Iga Swiatek also moved into the next round. However, several other big names were eliminated as the competition became more unpredictable. With the U.S. Open coming soon, these shocking results have sent a strong message to the tennis world. The Cincinnati Masters is proving that in tennis, anything can happen. Thanks watching. Kept fighting.